guys, check out this new cold plunge I have here from Plunge Chill. Just pulled everything out of the box. Here's everything that came with it. Has a pump to pump everything up with. It's got a repair kit and deflation tool as well. A couple of valves. Directions. Has a bag for everything to hold everything. And it has 3 items to inflate. This one here, this here, and then the actual tub itself. It's nice, it comes with some quick disconnect straps here too. Pop that off. Right here is where we're going to hook up the chiller. It also has a blow-up step stool we can use too. Let me go ahead and inflate them right here. Now this port right here is for the extra step. There we go, there's the nice step that comes with it. Rock hard too. These straps here to keep it from blowing away from this thing, put them right here. Now it's got the lid. There's our Plunge Chill chiller right down there too. This thing's absolutely wonderful to have to keep your plunge nice and cool to the desired temp. Let's go ahead and hook it up. All right, here we go, just filling it up. The bottom one goes to the bottom one, top one goes to the top one. I'm just going to fill this thing up just past that top line right there, that top valve. Okay, to line up your straps correctly every time when you put your lid back on, just make sure this inflatable valve is right in line with these valves here, and you'll get it every time. All right, I got the chiller all hooked up and working. If you don't have one of these, they're great. It's a game changer. Can't wait to try this thing out. Oh yeah, these steps are nice. Oh yeah, this thing's great. Perfect size. Cold plunging's great, and if you're looking to get started, this is a great one to get started with. Really happy with this thing. Gonna use it a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody.